Number one, if you ever find yourself in a queue anywhere on earth, it is a sign that there's still money to be made. You're still broke. You still have to hustle. Rich people don't stay in a queue. You will hardly ever in your life see a truly rich person on a queue. They always have some special access. Even at the airports, you will not see rich people on the same queue with you. They'll have their separate lounge they can afford easily, and then they do their own onboarding easily, and a whole lot of things. Some of them will not even be at the same airport with you. They'll be at another terminal where the private jets are. Every time you find yourself in a long queue going to get a certain card or buy food or do something, it's a sign that there's still money to be made. Number two, if your teeth is fucked up, your teeth is fucked up, it means you're broke. It means you don't have money for the tooth procedure to fix your permanent white teeth. If you still have holes in your teeth, and it's a reminder that there's still money to be made. And once you smile, people will tell that you are not really rich. No matter what you want to wear on your body, people can tell easily. Number three, arguing in traffic for whatever reason. Let's say somebody nearly hit your car, somebody's crashed your car or something, and you come down and you are exchanging words. It means you're actually powerless. That shouting is the best you can do. A truly rich person will put a phone call through and things will start happening. You know what I'm saying? If they really want to do something. A rich person's time is more important to them than most arguments. You will not find them arguing on the street like that. The person might just look through the window and see the scratch and look at you and be like, don't worry, go, go, go. If they scratch your car, they will give you card. All right, take my card, come in the evening. I work at so-and-so place. You can even come there and see me. I'll fix your car. Period. Almost any argument at all. You don't see rich people on arguments. They'll be like, they will not tell you what they have in mind. Number four, poor bathroom. If you are ashamed to invite your visitor into your bathroom, it means you are poor. Let's say somebody comes to your house and say, please, can I use the restroom? You say, and you are shy, all right? It means your bathroom is not in good order. It means your bathroom is not well finished and furnished, all right? So it means your bathroom is actually poor. Somewhere on the painting or something is wrong with the bathroom. It's a sign that your whole life needs an overhaul. You need a new job, all right? So that you can make more money and live in a better house, or at least fix the bathroom in your house. If you get into a physical fight, street fight, somebody is holding you, you're holding the person on the backyard, it means you are poor. Rich people don't fight. I'm saying there's something, the person will just put a call through, pam, 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 pam. You will see men will show up, or police. If you slap a rich man, they will not slap you back. They will go get police, and then police will teach you a lesson. If you find yourself in a fight, it's a reminder that there's still money to be made. You need to change your job. Flaunting money. Now, this one is tricky because some people that have acquired some sort of wealth, not wealth now, but riches in terms of money, flaunt it, especially if they are in such an industry. This excludes musicians. This excludes celebrities. You get what I'm saying? Outside that, if you are nobody and you are flaunting money on social media, you're exposing your life to risk because your neighbor might be in need of that money and they realize you have it. You might be dead that night and they will take your money. It means you don't understand personal security. Then, secondly, you flaunting money, you don't flaunt up, you flaunt down. You don't flaunt money to people better than you. Anywhere you see somebody, no matter who it is, celebrity or no celebrity, anytime you see people flaunting wealth in terms of flaunting cars, a new house, new money, they are flaunting to people they were better than. It's a sign that the bulk of their contact list are poor people. So they are trying to oppress the poor. Come to Africa. We like oppressing each other. You can still buy that same house without posting it on social media. I'm not saying you shouldn't post your house. I'm just saying that most of the money people flaunt on social media is all they have. That cash you are seeing on screen is all they have. Trying to intimidate the random fan somewhere that's going to drop a comment. Imagine Dangote carrying walls of cash trying to flaunt it. But if the person is a celebrity, you know that celebrities are acting something. They are acting. So sometimes some of them, their image involves acting or pretending to be rich. Even if they are truly rich, they might be pretending to be that wayward guy that is always flaunting money. Celebrities are out of it. The next one is, if you as a lady, the only way you rate whether you should date a guy or marry a guy is whether he has money or not. It means that you yourself, you are broke. You are coming from a poor family with nobody. All the people in your lineage are poor. That's what it means. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't marry rich people. In fact, if you have been following my channel, I advise people to marry wealthy. Because once you marry into a rich family, 99% of your problems are solved. The only other problem you're going to have is ego. When you are arguing or you hate this person, then that person hates you. This person doesn't want you to marry her. That's less than 1% of your problem. But most of the issues you're going to have, money will solve it. Good spouses, richer spouses. If you get richer, you naturally get into rich cycles and you start meeting richer people. That's just what it is. If you still wash your clothes by yourself at home, on Saturday, you are waiting for Saturday, you bring all your clothes down like this, and you put bucket here, put bucket there, put Omo, detergent, start washing, wash, you spray it. If when it rains, you carry your hat in your hand because you are scared that rain will pull down your clothes where you spread it, it means you are poor. There's still money to be made. You have to quit your job, get onto a higher paying job or higher source of income. Rich people don't wash their clothes by their hands. Except maybe underwears, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you have to wash your underwear by yourself. Rich people have what we call dry cleaners. These people come, pick the clothes and go to their office and wash it and bring it back in 2-3 days time and get paid. If you can't afford this, it means you're poor. You need to change your job. Useless job are you working? If you find yourself in public transport, it's a reminder that there's still money to be made. Public transport is a no-no for rich people. Rich people usually have 2-3 cars. Plus, some that are so rich, they have to have an entourage of policemen and stuff. If one car spoils, they pick another, they drive out with the next one. If you're poor, occasionally you find yourself in transport or every day, public transport, you are dragging shift. Before somebody is accusing you that you're using your elbow to touch her boobs. They are beating you in traffic. How can you explain yourself? Do you know how many people they are beating like that? Or that money is missing and you're the one that stole the money. Or somebody is trying to steal your phone in transport. See, if you have ever lost your phone in traffic, it means that you are poor. That your phone fell off, you don't know what happened, you wanted to enter bus, it means you are poor. It means that there is still money to be made. Don't relax. Don't relax. There's still money to be made. If you still go to work every day, look, I don't care how rich you are. If you have to wake up every morning, go to work, come back, it means you are rich with money, all right, in your bank account, possibly, but you don't have true wealth. True wealth is having control of your time. Then what do you do with that time? You use that time to spend with family. Use that time to get better in your health. Use that time to travel the world and experience life. This is life going. Doing the same thing every day is going to make your life monotone. That is black and white. By the time you're old, you can't remember anything that happened in your life. You'll be like, zoom past. It was too fast. Remember that the core purpose of making money is take care of your health, take care of family, and be able to travel and have your own time to yourself. Remember that. Not whether there's money in your bank account or not. Because when you die, people that didn't work for it will take that money and use it to do what I'm just saying. They'll use it to travel the world. They shock you. They shock you. People that didn't work for your money will inherit it once you are dead. And the next year, they are cruising the world. The money you refuse to spend. I'll continue, all right? I'll do part 2 of this. But now let's continue. Look, if every time somebody raises a wealth discussion, you shut it down. Like you are in a house discussing and somebody says, how can we make more money? You attack the person immediately. It means you yourself, you are poor. You are poor. You don't even have money to invest. You don't have any concept or idea, and you don't have any plan to get out of that poverty. That kind of discussion helps people get out of poverty, but you don't have any idea of that. You don't want that at all. That's why you're suppressing that argument. You rather discuss about celebrities. The next one, the next reason or next behavior or character that if you spot it in your life, it means you're poor, that there's still money to be made, is if you gossip. You know everything about all the neighbors. This one has 12 children. This one has 2 children. This one is dating this one. This one in the beginning of the street is the girlfriend of that one. That one is working at that place. All these people, it means you are poor. You have time to store rubbish. It's rubbish that fool your brain. You're just like a bungalow, nothing upstairs. If you are truly rich, that kind of information is not what should concern you. In fact, if somebody is telling you that kind of thing, you will quickly shut down the discussion. No, I don't want it. What should be going on in your mind is more wealth, how to make the society better, how to explore more of your talent, how to make sure that the solution you have already is reaching more people. The next one is if you are scared of school fees, then every time the new term is coming or a new semester is coming, your children will ask you for school fees and you're scared, your heart is beating. It's a sign of poverty. It means that the money they are paying you at work is not enough. It's not taking care of your need. You need to get a better job. Start looking for a job now. When you find a better job and you complete the interview, quit the old one and go to the new one so that the money will be enough. Or maybe your job, your money is enough, but you're overspending.